children. Hi. Everyone say hello to your teacher.
Hello,
Say,
teacher.
Yes, very good children. But children, 1 minute. I forgot my pen. Where is my pen? Oh, Doraemon, please give me my pen.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, thank you, Doraemon. Oh my God. Sorry, children. What
Teacher?
happened?
Charlie means?
Wait, I will tell you, children. But children, I know you are thinking, why is teacher saying like this? Sorry, thank you, hello. Yes, am I right, children? Okay, but children, before that, I will show you one magic. Do you like magic?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, wow, very good. So everyone, close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes like this. Yes, very good children. Nobody will open your eyes. Now, abracadabra, gilly, choo. Everyone, open your eyes. Open fast.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now everyone, what's in my hand? Tell me. What's in my hand? Any guesses? Oh, use some words, magical words, and then see what will be happen. Everyone, tell me fast.
नाही
No
माहिती. नाही माहिती.
Okay. As like Riya. रियाचं पण असंच झालं. Do you know Riya? Wait, I will tell you one story of Riya. Okay, children?
Okay,
So
teacher.
get ready to listen the story. So everyone, listen carefully. Okay, let's start our story. There was a girl. Her name was Riya. What was her name? Her name was Riya. Riya liked to play in the garden. She liked to play in the garden because her house was near the garden. So every day she went to the garden and played. One day she saw a big mango tree. What she saw? She saw a big mango tree. So Riya went there. Then Riya saw Rinku came near the mango tree and he took one mango and ran away. That time mango tree was sad. But after some time Tinku came near the mango tree and he said to mango tree, "Oh mango tree, please give me some mangoes." So that time mango tree was happy and he gave him 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? 5 mangoes. Riya think, why like this? And he asked to mango tree, "Oh mango tree, when Rinku came and took your one mango, that time you were sad. And when Tinku came, that time you was happy." Then mango tree told Riya, when Rinku came and took one mango without my permission, that's why I was sad. But Tinku came and he was requesting me, "Oh mango tree, please give me some mangoes." That's why I was happy. Children, here is our first magic word. whenever you want something from someone, you have to say please. Children, when Tinku got 5 mangoes, that time he said to mango tree, thank you mango tree. Children, this is our second magic word. Which magic word is it? Thank you. Which magic word? Thank you. Children, whenever you got gift, chocolates, that time you have to say thank you. Children, when Tinku said to mango tree, thank you mango tree, that time that mango tree also said to Tinku, welcome. Children, here is our third magic word, welcome. Then Riya and mango tree was talking to each other. That time Rinku came back and he asked to mango tree, excuse me mango tree. Children, here is our fourth magic word, excuse me. Which word? Excuse me. Then Rinku said to mango tree, I am sorry, I was wrong. I took your mango without your permission. That's why I am sorry. I am sorry. Okay. Children, this is our fifth magic word. Sorry. Which word? Sorry. Children, these are 5 magic words. How many words? 5 magic words. Let's revise. Please, thank you, welcome, excuse me, and sorry. Now children, let's revise our 5 magic words. Our first magic word is please. Children, whenever you want something from someone, you have to say please. Like you want to pay from your friend, you have to say please give me pay. And if you want something from your mama, you also have to say please mama. Now children, this is our second magic word, thank you. Whenever you got gift or chocolates from someone, children, you have to say thank you. And also say thank you to your mummy papa for taking care of yours. Whenever someone say thank you to you, children, you have to reply welcome. Children, this is our fourth magic word, excuse me. Children, whenever you want to talk with someone, that time you say excuse me. See children, this girl want to join with them, so she said to them, excuse me, may I join with you? Now children, this is our fifth magic word. Which word? Sorry. Whenever children you are wrong or whenever you will do some mistake, you have to say sorry. See children, this girl broke her toy. That's why she is sad and she said to her mama, sorry mama. Children, today we learn 5 magic words. How many magic words? 5 magic words. Let's revise children. Please, thank you, welcome, excuse me and sorry. Children, you use these 5 magic words